Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest in tech so you know exactly what's worth paying attention to. Today we're talking about one of Apple's most anticipated releases, the iPad Pro M5. If you thought the M4 version set a new standard for tablets, the M5 looks like it could take things even further. Faster, smarter, and more capable, this iPad could easily be Apple's biggest leap forward in years. Stick around because the details here will make you see the iPad Pro in a completely new light. Think about what it means when Apple upgrades its flagship iPad. It's not just a new chip or a slightly brighter display. Every time Apple makes a major jump in the Pro lineup, it changes how creators, professionals, and even everyday users interact with their devices. The M5 has the potential to turn the iPad into something that feels more like a laptop replacement than ever before. And the rumors around its release date, features, and performance all point to a huge upgrade. So let's start with timing. Apple is expected to launch the iPad Pro M5 in the first half of 2025. Many reports suggest a spring event, most likely in April, though some also point to May as a possible release month. Apple has been consistent with iPad Pro refreshes happening in the spring, and since the M4 iPad Pro was released in 2024, a one-year cycle for the M5 makes sense. This means that if you've been holding off on buying an iPad, the wait might not be long before the next big thing is officially here. Now, what exactly is Apple upgrading? First and foremost, the chip. The iPad Pro M5 is expected to come with the M5 chip, which will bring even more power efficiency and performance compared to the M4. The M4 was already capable of handling advanced workflows like 3D rendering, video editing, and high-end gaming, but the M5 is rumored to push things to the next level with faster cores, better graphics, and more AI-focused enhancements. That last part is especially important. Apple has been leaning heavily into on-device intelligence, and the M5 could be the first iPad chip designed specifically with Apple's AI features in mind. That means tasks like photo editing, real-time translation, or even predictive writing could be handled more smoothly and instantly, right on the device. Imagine asking your iPad to edit a video clip, clean up audio, or generate content for you, and having it happen almost instantly without needing cloud support. This is where the M5 could make the iPad feel more futuristic than ever before. Another big area of improvement is the display. The iPad Pro M5 is expected to feature Apple's best OLED technology yet. The M4 brought tandem OLED panels, giving us incredible brightness, contrast, and energy efficiency. But Apple isn't stopping there. The M5 could push brightness even higher, offer more color accuracy for professionals, and improve power efficiency so you can work or watch content for longer without draining the battery. For creatives who edit photos, videos, or digital art, this upgrade could be huge. And for everyday users, it simply means movies, shows, and games will look better than ever. Speaking of design, Apple is rumored to keep the sleek, flat-edged look that people love but might refine it even further. The iPad Pro M5 could be thinner and lighter than the M4, making it easier to carry while still packing more power. Apple has always emphasized portability, and if they can deliver a lighter frame without sacrificing battery life or performance, it'll make the iPad Pro even more appealing for travelers, students, and professionals on the go. Cameras are another area to watch. While most people don't use their iPad as their main camera, Apple has continued to improve both the front and back lenses. For the M5, the focus could be on upgrading the front-facing camera with better sensors and smarter AI processing for clearer video calls, sharper FaceTime, and more accurate AR experiences. The rear camera system may also see improvements in low-light performance, making the iPad more versatile for scanning documents, capturing quick photos, or even shooting professional-grade video if needed. Battery life is expected to improve as well. The M4 already brought efficiency gains, but the M5 chip could stretch that further. If Apple combines the M5's efficiency with OLED power savings, we could see iPad Pro M5 models lasting well over 12 hours on a single charge. That's enough for a full workday, long flights, or creative projects without worrying about plugging in. And with Apple's focus on fast charging, topping up the iPad could be quicker than before, making it even easier to stay productive. But it's not just about hardware. The iPad Pro M5 will run on iPadOS 19, which will play a major role in how powerful this device feels. Apple has been working to make iPadOS more capable, especially for multitasking and productivity. Features like Stage Manager already help you run multiple apps like you would on a laptop, but with the M5's power, we could see even smoother multitasking, more advanced AI features baked directly into the operating system, and perhaps even closer integration with macOS-style workflows. For people who want to replace their laptop, this could be the update that finally makes it possible. Storage and RAM are also expected to get upgrades. The base storage may start higher, possibly at 256 GB, with options going up to 2 TB for professionals who need massive amounts of space. As for RAM, the M5 iPad Pro could see higher configurations, maybe up to 24 GB, making it capable of handling demanding workflows like 8K video editing or complex design projects. That kind of power in a thin tablet would be almost unheard of outside of Apple's ecosystem. Apple Pencil support is another area to watch. With the iPad Pro M4, Apple introduced hover features and improved sensitivity, but the M5 could bring an even smarter pencil, perhaps with new gesture support, haptic feedback, or deeper AI-assisted tools for artists and note-takers. Imagine drawing on the iPad and having the pencil respond with subtle vibrations to simulate textures or help guide strokes more naturally. This could take digital art to a new level. Then there's the Magic Keyboard. Apple may release an updated version designed specifically for the iPad Pro M5, possibly lighter and more adjustable with an improved trackpad. Combined with the M5's power and iPadOS upgrades, this accessory could make the iPad Pro feel even closer to a laptop. And if Apple refines its app ecosystem to support more professional desktop-class applications, the iPad could become a true productivity machine. Price is always an important factor. The M4 iPad Pro started at a premium price, and the M5 will likely follow the same path. Expect it to start around $1,099 for the base 11-inch model and go higher for the 13-inch versions with more storage and cellular support. While that's expensive, Apple positions the iPad Pro as a device that can replace a laptop, and with the M5's rumored upgrades, the value proposition could be stronger than ever. So who is the iPad Pro M5 for? It's clearly aimed at professionals, creatives, and power users who want the best of both worlds, the flexibility of a tablet and the performance of a laptop. But even students, business users, and casual iPad fans will see the benefits. Whether you're editing video, sketching, running presentations, or simply streaming content, the M5 will handle it all with ease. Think about this: if you could carry one device that lets you do your work, create art, edit media, and relax with your favorite shows, wouldn't you want that? The iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be that device. And while it won't be cheap, the performance and features might finally justify leaving your laptop at home. To recap, the iPad Pro M5 is expected to launch in spring 2025, likely April or May. It will feature the new M5 chip with better AI performance, a brighter and more efficient OLED display, a thinner and lighter design, improved cameras, longer battery life, and deeper iPadOS integration. Storage and RAM options will expand, Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard support will get smarter, and overall, this will be Apple's most advanced iPad yet. That's everything we know so far about the upcoming iPad Pro M5. If you're excited to see what Apple has in store and want to stay updated when it launches, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Tap Tech, and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay sharp, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.